Hello traders, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to take one trade with our strategy. I'm going to explain you in detail about the setup so that you can apply the same while trading. So let's get started. This is Euro US dollar chart. As you can see, this is one of my favorite chart. I just trade on this chart only in most of my time, and as you can see, this is 1 minute candlestick. So we are analyzing 1 minute candlestick time frame. So now let's understand the chart, let's analyze the situation, and then we will apply the strategy. So first of all, we will increase the time frame because we are going to take a 5-minute expiry trade, and let's understand the trend. So it's clearly an uptrend situation here. So our aim will be now to take trades in the direction of the trend, which is uptrend. In this case, we will try to understand the price action. So if we go by price action, market is creating high and then it's creating low swings, which means that the market is having its run and then it is having its retracement. So this is the run, this is the retracement, this is the run, this was the retracement run, and now market is in its retracement phase. So if we go by price action, market can go in the upward direction in the future according to the trend. The trend is also suggesting that market can go in the upward direction in the future. So we got two things in our favor. The next thing is to focus on the momentum of the market, and right now as you can see that market is going it's not that strong, but it's quite good in the volume. So we will say that market doesn't show weakness right now, and so this is not in our favor. We will wait for the market to get weaker, and let's try to draw some key levels, because the fourth confirmation will be to place a good support level, because we are trading in the direction of the trend, which is uptrend in this case. So we will try to find a strong support level in order to get a reversal trade. So let's focus here, and as you can see, market is moving in the downward direction. Let me first understand the rejection phase. Okay, quite good. So we'll wait for the market to get weaker, because we need weak market, then only we can expect a reversal from this situation. And right now as you can see that market is creating big candlesticks, so we cannot trust a reversal here, and we still don't have strong support level near this level. I can only say that we have a good level of support, which is coming from the previous resistance level. You can see previously this was working as the resistance, and now market actually rejected from the very level, which is a good thing. So we got three confirmations here. We have a strong support level, good support level, we got the price action, we got the trend also in our favor. The only thing which is restricting me from taking a trade is the weakness, and right now this candle shows some weakness in the bearish move, because we need confirmation by the buyers that yes, they wants to enter into the market to move it in the upward direction again. So this is the first signal that yes, market can reverse. This is the sign that market, the bears are losing their control because of the presence of the support level. Now let's wait for the proper weakness, because a proper weakness will give us a clear indication or the fourth confirmation. Then we can wait for the candlestick confirmation to take a reversal trade. So as of now, market is at a support level. Market respected this level, which means that if market continue to respect this level, it will get weaker and weaker. The momentum will die. The market will form a cluster here. And if we get a bullish move in the form of a good candlestick confirmation, then we can surely go for our trading setup. And here we got the confirmation, so I placed the trade. We have taken a 5-minute trade here. Now let me explain you why I took this trade. So the first thing is really simple. This is an uptrend situation, so we need the market will move in the direction of its trend, which in this case is uptrend, and that's why my focus was to take trade in the upward direction. The second thing is that market is moving with proper price action. It is creating swing highs and then swing lows, then swing highs, then swing lows, which means that market is moving with a proper price action. And we all know, I have explained this concept so many times, that whenever you see market moving in a particular direction, market will always rest and then it will run. The rest phase, I call it the retracement phase. So this was the rest phase because it is in the opposite direction of the trend here, which is uptrend in this case. So this was the rest phase. Market got weaker. This was the first signal. This was the confirmation candle. It came from the very support level, which previously was working as the resistance. So the momentum was also getting weaker. The market was also at the support level. We followed the trend, we followed the price action, and we got the confirmation at the end. And that's why I took a trade instantly, because everything was in our favor. We took 4 consideration before taking this trade, and the 5th was our confirmation, which was this candlestick. So that's why we took this trade. Now let's wait for the result, and after the result I will explain you one more time why I took this trade. And let me explain you another thing here, which means that if you look carefully here, you will see that, let me show you in the 5-second chart. See, here you will see that market previously rejected from this level. You can see, as you can see in the you can only see this in the 5-second chart, because if I like show you in the 1 minute chart, you will not be able to understand what I'm trying to tell you. See, as soon as market hit this level, it got rejected back in the upward direction. This candlestick shows the momentum in the upward direction, then it reverses back, because that's how market move. Market doesn't reverse right away. It will take some time. It will form some pattern, and here you will see that market formed a double bottom pattern. This is the first bottom. This was the second bottom. Now if you focus clearly on the candlestick movement, you will understand, and you will not need to open a smaller time frame chart like I am showing you right now on the 5-second. I don't have to open a 5-second chart to read this, because I can read it by reading the 1 minute candlestick only. So here what happens is that as market was approaching towards this level, here market was not that strong, but it was still a downtrend move here. And as soon as market hit this support level, it got rejected back quickly. It moves up, and as we know that market cannot reverse right away. It cannot just hit this level and then move straight up in the upward direction. What happens is that market moves with price action, and in this case, as market was doing, it was creating swing lows, then swing highs, then swing lows, then swing highs, swing lows, swing highs, swing lows, and it was moving like this because it was a downtrend move. And here what happened is that market created this swing low, it hit this support level, it rejected back. Now in a normal case, what will happen in a downtrend? Market will go down, will break this low, will create another swing low somewhere around here or anywhere, but as in this case, it rejected back from the very level, from the support level, and it moves up and closes. As you can see, this was the swing high. It was broken here, and let me show you in the 1 minute. This candle closes above this rejection point, which was the recent resistance level according to me. Market rejected back from the support level. On the smaller scale, let me explain you one important concept. So what I focus in most cases is these swing highs and swing lows. If market is breaking, like in this case, as market was creating swing lows, which means that market will continue to move in the downward direction. But as soon as market stopped creating swing lows, as it was a downtrend move, this was the downtrend move, but market stopped creating swing lows, rather it rejected back from the very last swing low and created another high breaking the swing high of the previous trend. This was the lower high swing. If we go by price action and we follow the downtrend, if market break this swing high in a downtrend phase, we can expect that market can reverse its trend. The same thing happened. Market was moving as usual price action with a downtrend move. It was creating the lower lows, then lower highs, then lower lows, then lower highs. But suddenly market hit the support level here. It did created the swing high here. This was the lower high, but here market failed to create lower low. It rejected back from the same level, and in the rejection, in the reaction, it broke the previous swing high. This was the lower high swing. It's been broken. Market closes here, and which suggested me that yes, market now wants to move in the upward direction, and that's why I took this trade. So it was all according to the price action, and you can see that market hit the upper level. This was the swing high here, and we won the trade easily. So I hope that you have understand the concept easily, and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.